Welcome to VKS Coding. We have written one program that will return the cheapest shop for any product in the city. Suppose any user is querying and he want to buy a grocery in Bangalore, he can query into the system and he can get the response. So where will be the cheapest grocery sold in that particular city? So here it is written DMart in a Bangalore. What happens after some time, so use of this algorithm is increased because this is very beneficial, so a lot of people are started using this service. So now the load on this system increases and it is not able to handle the load because this system is only having the 16 GB RAM and 8 CPU. So he can't able to handle more requests. So what options we have? So we can add a more servers, right, to handle a more request. So here I have added a four servers now. Earlier we had a one server. Now we have added a four server: S1, S2, S3, S4, and these are the different computing devices, mobile devices, tab, laptop, and everything. From there, the requests are coming, and those are getting processed by these servers. So, but we can see one problem here, right? So the server one is getting the so many requests, and server two, server three, server four are getting less requests compared to the server one. So this is one problem we can see that, right? If we increase the server, the loads are not getting distributed properly. So to solve this problem, we need to use a load balancer. So let's see how the list load balancer will solve the problem of distributing the load evenly across the server. So here I've added a load balancer between the client and the server. So these are the client, mobile client, tab, and the computer devices. And these are having the three servers. So whenever the requests are getting from these clients, the request will be routed to the servers. And in this case, the request will be routed evenly to the servers. Now, how the load balancer will get to know which server has to route the request? It need to use the, so basically a load balancer uses a different kind of a algorithm inside it. So based on that, it will route the request from the client to the server. So I have covered great detail about the load balancer algorithm. So you can check the next video where we have discussed about the load balancer algorithm in great detail. Now we have understood why we need a load balancer. We need a load balancer to distribute the traffic among the server evenly. So how many types of load balancer we have as of now? So we have a two type of load balancer. First one is a software load balancer. Second one is a hardware load balancer. In software load balancer, it is can be installed on any server because it's a kind of a software that can be installed on any server and provide a flexibility, scalability, and we can deploy in a cloud or virtual machine. So that's why the cost is also very less. And we have an option for Nginx warnings for a software load balancer. And we have a few more options in the market as well for a software load balancer. Now let's check for a hardware load balancer. So basically in the hardware load balancer, we need a hardware especially designed for the load balancing, and it is installed in the network itself, and it is less flexible and provide a minimum customization, but it is a fast, reliable, and less error prone compared to the software load balancer. So that's why so hardware load balancer is expensive as well. So what are the options we have in the markets are Citrix NetScaler, Cisco System Catalyst, and few other options are also available in the market for hardware load balancer. So this is all about the load balancer. So please do subscribe my channel to get to know about the more system design topics.